Hey there, fellow gardeners. Did you know that wood ash is the secret to growing juicy, delicious fruits? Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive into why and how you should be using wood ash in your garden. First off, wood ash is a powerhouse of potassium and other minerals that support flowering and fruiting. By applying it around your fruit trees in late winter, you can give them a boost that will lead to stronger roots, better disease resistance, and ultimately sweeter and more flavorful fruits. Sounds like a win-win, right? But hold on a sec. Before you start sprinkling ash like fairy dust, remember, moderation is key. Excessive ash can mess up the nutrient balance and make your soil too alkaline, which can harm your trees. So test your soil pH first. If it's already alkaline, skip the ash. And always keep it away from the tree trunk to avoid root damage. For you tomato growers out there, wood ash can be a game changer too. It provides essential potassium and calcium, helping to prevent problems like blossom end rot. Just mix it into the soil before planting or use it as a side dressing. But again, use sparingly to avoid raising the soil pH too much. So there you have it. Wood ash is a fantastic natural way to boost your fruit production and get those juicy, mouth-watering harvests. Give it a try and happy gardening.